Okay, so this is going to be, as promised, a lighter and more fun activity. So we're going to travel back in time and think of a few things that made you happy when you were a child. Um, Now that you are so acquainted with your inner child, think about some of the positive things that happened in your childhood. Do you have a specific childhood memory? Things that you really like doing? Reliving these experiences in your mind helps you to get in touch with your inner child because that's the more innocent and emotionally raw part of yourself that still exists. And remember that when you were a child, maybe experiencing these happy experiences, this is a time when you felt free from some of the issues that you're currently facing, the problems that you have. And just let your thoughts wander. Think a little bit about your inner child and what made them happy, and just jot down a couple of activities that they really enjoyed as a child. And especially if you are having a lot of stressful experiences now, or even as a child, these wonderful, happy moments and experiences are really something to be cherished. And we should bring that back into your life now as an adult. Okay. Sometimes as an adult, we feel like, oh, we have to act like adults all the time. And it's possible that this quirky, spontaneous, goofy side of yourself has been repressed, maybe judged or labeled in some way. And we don't want to reject our inner child and the innocence that they've had. So once you've jotted down a few of these activities, I would love to hear what they are. And the next step with using this is really to invite play back into your everyday life. Make a commitment to do something that made you happy as a child and do it again now. See how you feel when you do it again. Sometimes inner child healing can just be as simple as making time to do the things that you enjoyed as a child, drawing, painting, baking, dancing, singing, acting, playing hopscotch, whatever it is for you. Write down at least 5 ideas right now, and then I would love to hear about it. So I'll give you guys a minute to think because I've been talking over you as you're trying to do this exercise.